In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers to Google Sheets. If you've ever needed your printouts to look professional with a title at the top or page numbers at the bottom, this is exactly what you're looking for. Headers and footers don't show up while you're editing your spreadsheet. They appear when you print or export to PDF, and they repeat on every page, which makes long documents much easier to read. Start by opening Google Sheets in the spreadsheet you want to print. When you're ready, go to the Print preview. You can do this by clicking the print icon on the toolbar or by using the File menu and choosing Print. This opens a preview on the left and a settings panel on the right. Think of this panel as your command center for page setup, including headers and footers. In the panel, look for the section labeled Headers and Footers and click it to expand the options. This is where you'll control what appears at the top and bottom of every printed page. To fully customize your layout, choose Edit Custom Fields. That opens a simple editor with 3 areas for the header and 3 for the footer, left, center, and right, so you can place text exactly where you want it. Click into the header fields and type the text you want. For example, you might put your report title in the center and a department or project name on the left or right. Keep the text concise so it doesn't wrap awkwardly. If you see options to insert elements like page numbers, the sheet name, the current date, or the document title, feel free to add them to your header for a consistent, professional touch. Next, move down to the footer fields and type whatever should appear at the bottom of each page. A common setup is page numbers in the center, or a small copyright or confidentiality note aligned left or right. If your footer looks too crowded, trim the wording or adjust margins so nothing gets clipped when printed. When your header and footer look good, click. Confirm to save your custom fields. Back in the print preview, take a moment to review each page. If something looks off, you can adjust margins, orientation, and scale from the same panel to fine-tune spacing. If headers or footers aren't visible, make sure margins aren't set to 0 and that the preview is zoomed in enough to see them clearly. That's it. You've added clean, repeatable headers and footers to your Google Sheets. From here, print or save as PDF and your document is presentation ready.